My name is Tyler Lugjani. My role here is focused on creating Dozuki content for our sanitation processes to give new and experienced operators the tools to perform some of our most complex tasks accurately and safely. The main challenge we were looking to solve when choosing Dozuki was improving the overall quality of our training to increase worker capabilities and reduce downtime. Before Dozuki, my current position didn't exist. I was an operator on the floor personally dealing with some of these struggles myself. Our training material was far less detailed, and we relied much more on our operators passing down the correct information in training. If you forgot a specific piece of information for a task you were working on, finding that information was difficult if it even existed to begin with. Oftentimes, you would have to find someone else who knew the task themselves to assist you, and this created constant time losses and resolving issues that a higher level of training and resource materials prevents entirely. We chose Dozuki because we liked that it was highly customizable while still being easy for anyone on the floor to utilize to either update or create new content themselves, with one of the standout features being single sign-on to reduce the friction of anyone utilizing it that much more. Since implementing Dozuki, we've been able to greatly improve the quality of our training materials here at our facility. We are now able to create a step-by-step guide for the entire process of even our more complex tasks that may need to be completed. Giving our users access to video demonstrations and guides also allows us to prepare them for some of our more infrequently done tasks that we may only do every few weeks or even months. Dozuki has also allowed us a new pathway for our operators to utilize to show off their skills and allow them another method to gain upward momentum in their career here at our plant.